My dearest friends, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and today we're going to exemplify aliveness with a pumpkin pie, and it's going to be alive, organic, and no bake, of course. So here we go. And let's start with some beautiful Living Tree walnuts grown by a family farmer in the Great Central Valley. And they're gorgeous, they're beautiful, new crop, just harvested. So let's go ahead and let's chop up some walnuts in making a crust. And now we're going to be adding some of our Living Tree alive organic almonds. Okay, and now our magnificent pumpkin seeds grown by family farmers in Oregon. Okay, so we have walnuts, almonds, and pumpkin seeds, and let's give that a grind. Okay. And now let's bind it together. These are, we have a brand new crop of medjool dates, just harvested, the new crop, and if I may say so, they are magnificent. So what we've done, we have pitted them. We've taken out the pits. That's real important. Taken out the pits. And we've soaked them for a couple hours to make them very, very pliable indeed. And the medjool dates are going to bind things together. Okay. Okay. And now let's scoop this out and put this in a pie dish. Okay, and now let's press this in to the pie dish. So here we go. Isn't that gorgeous? Doesn't that feel very, very appetizing and ecstatic indeed? So we're going to put this in the freezer to let it solidify a little as we make the filling. And now This is a pumpkin grown by Full Belly Farm, magnificent family farmers just north of Sacramento in the very, very heart of the Central Valley. And they come here to Berkeley every week to do a farmer's market. It is a privilege to work with them. So, a sugar pie pumpkin, as they call it. And now let's take out the seeds. And dice the pumpkin. Well, let's see how this is going to Okay. And now I want to add, for smoothness, a ripe banana. And I want to add some of the soak water that we used for the dates and making the crust. So, I want to add, for sweetness, some of the same diced and pitted medjool dates that we had soaked for a couple hours and we used in the crust. Now here we're using these again. But we're not going to stop there. We're going to add our Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter. Here we go. We'll give it a heaping tablespoon of almond butter. Now how about our Living Tree Alive Organic Walnut Butter? We'll give a heaping tablespoon of that. Wherever possible, we source from California family farmers. And now let's do a bit of cinnamon. Nutmeg. And of course, to heighten flavor, Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And what's a pumpkin pie without Vermont maple syrup, organic of course. And finally, our Call of the Wild honey. Okay. Now here we go. Okay. And now we're going to take our pie crust out of the freezer. Here we go. And now we're going to put this back in the freezer, and we'll take a look a while from now. Well, my dearest friends, we've had our pumpkin pie in the freezer for a while, so it's had a chance to solidify. So let's take a slice. Still a bit soft, but nice. And let us partake of an alive, organic, raw pumpkin pie. What a way to celebrate Vivacity and to welcome this wonderful autumn. Let's go forward, my friends. You might want to think about subscribing and maybe even give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and critiques are gold to us. Let us go forward. We want to hear from you. Thank you so very much indeed for allowing me to share. Let us go forward.